Makita have a brand new 40 volt XGT SDS Plus drill. And of course, you know their 40 volt XGT tools are heavy duty. These things are beasts, and this thing is no exception. In fact, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this one. There it is. This is the HR010. This is a Makita 40 volt XGT brushless SDS Plus drill. And yeah, it's pretty small, right? So yeah, for a 40 volt tool, don't get me wrong, this is very, very compact, which is a great thing. This thing just weighs 2.8 kilograms. So this is gonna be great working above your head and for long periods of time, because it's gonna reduce the stress on your arms. But of course, this is still 40 volt XGT, so do not be fooled by the size, because this thing is still a beast, delivering up to 2.1 joules of impact energy. There is plenty to love about this as well. In terms of design, not just the fact that it is compact, but this is designed to give you maximum safety and maximum efficiency. You have got the 3 different modes on the side. Alongside from that, you have got a lot of AVT, that is Makita's anti-vibration technology, not only inside the tool itself, but actually on board as well. You see the handle is actually a little bit separate from the drilling mechanism, and that is to reduce the amount of stress caused by the vibration of the tool. And the same goes for where the battery sits as well. It's actually slightly separate from the tool, just to reduce any wear and tear or even the battery coming loose when operating this device. Really ergonomic, really easy to use. Of course, you've got the side handle on the side here as well. Like I said, that safety is key, which is why this tool comes packed with some features, including a nice electronic brake, and also the circuit wiring inside is designed to prevent overloading and overheating from the battery. It's also worth mentioning that you can find on the back here a little button to activate Makita's AWS, that is their auto wireless start system, which is something that you can use to pair the tool with a dust extractor. How many times have you fired up a tool and completely forgot to turn on the dust extractor, and now there is mess everywhere?
I don't like sand. It gets everywhere.
Well, that AWS technology is designed to eliminate that completely, because when you fire this up, the dust extractor, AWS compatible dust extractor, will turn on as well, meaning that you'll be able to collect as much dust as you need to without making a mess, and you don't even have to move and turn on a separate machine. The HR010 is running off of a brushless motor, so you are seeing maximum efficiency and no maintenance runtime, which is very, very handy, especially because of the power that you are getting out of this. That brushless motor giving you between 0 to 1,350 no load speed, so that's RPM, and also you are seeing 0 to 5,000 impacts per minute as well. So this thing, don't be fooled by the size. Really, really versatile, able to get the job done in numerous different ways. So if you're on Makita's 40 volt XGT range and you are looking for something slightly nimbler, a bit more versatile but nice and easy to use and hold, then you are going to want to pick this up. This is Makita's compact 40 volt XGT HR010. You can get it now at its.co.uk.